Good evening and welcome. Thanks very much for tuning in to NDTV 24/7. I'm Padmaja Joshi, and as always, on every story that matters, the buck stops here. The question today is, who is killing the BLOs or the block level officers, government officials who are involved in the entire process of voter list revision, which is known as SIR. SIR, which is taking place now across 12 states and union territories in stage 2 of the exercise. Have these officials become the unfortunate collateral of a political tussle between the BJP-ruled centre and the opposition-ruled states? Or are they literally being worked into the ground? The alleged deaths of over a dozen BLOs who are involved in this special intensive revision has kicked off a huge political firestorm. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi has called it proof that SIR is being done in a chaotic manner, even claiming the lives of those who are involved. The TMC also has quoted at least 3 such suicides of BLOs that have taken place in West Bengal to brand the exercise anti-people, lethal and deadly. But now 2 separate instances have emerged which make one question, is it really the work burden or political bullying that is the death warrant of this block level government officers? First, see the example of West Bengal. There, a TMC worker, Zamirul Molla, has been arrested. Why? Because he threatened a BLO in Sandesh Khali. In a viral phone conversation, the TMC leader can be heard threatening the BLO that he would be slaughtered. His house would be vandalized, set on fire if he dared remove anyone's name from the voters' roll. The BLO, Deepak Mahato, now says that all he did was flag inconsistencies in the details written in 3 enumeration forms. He was basically pointing out the problems in some of the voter forms. Even though Molla has now been arrested, this BLO is still petrified of what could happen to him in the future, considering that the man who threatened him belongs to the party in power in West Bengal.
তুমি আমাদের জানাওনি কেন? তুমি কাটলে কেন? তোমার রেহাই দেবো? তুমি কি রেহাই পাবে? ঘর বাড়ি তোর সব ভাঙচুর করে তোর হাত পা কুচে দেবো আমি একদম। তুই কেন করলি কেন? কাটলি কেন? কোথা থেকে কি করে সংশোধন কর, না তো তোর কালকে সকালে জয় করে দেবে, রাত্রির মধ্যে তো জয় করবো আজকে। তো রাত্রির মধ্যে তোর ঘর বাড়ি ভাঙচুর করে জয় করতে পারবি।
And that's not all. In Jharkhand, the state's health minister was heard provoking people against BLOs as well. And this he said from stage. While addressing a public gathering, Irfan Ansari accused BLOs of striking off people's names from voters' list and then went on to tell the locals that if any such official approaches their home with SIR-related tasks, they should not hesitate in tying them up. That he should lock up these BLOs and then call me. Now, thanks to these instances where these naked threats are being given on camera to these officers just involved in an exercise, both sides are accusing the other of coercion, threats, and driving these BLOs to their grave.
हम लोग झारखंड में प्रयास होगा कि SIR लागू हम लोग नहीं होने देंगे। और मैं देखिए कल अपने विधानसभा में मैंने लोगों को सचेत किया, आगाह किया है कि आप लोग किसी कीमत पर SIR लागू नहीं होने दीजिए। आप लोग अगर कोई BLO अगर आपके पास आता है तो उसको अगर नाम काटने आता है, सुन लीजिए मेरी बात, ऐसे तो BLO हमारा पदाधिकारी है, अगर वो जबरन आपका नाम काटता है तो हमको आप बुलाइए, उसको बंद करके रखिए, हम चाबी खोल देंगे। सेंस ये था, बिहार में आपने 65 लाख लोगों का नाम काट दिया, गरीब का नाम काटा आपने, मुसलमानों का नाम काट दिया, दलित का नाम काट दिया, आदिवासियों का नाम काट दिया आपने वहां पर।
पूछना चाहता हूं इंडी गठबंधन वालों से, यह लोकतंत्र को बंधक बनाने का निंदनीय प्रयास है या नहीं? खुलेआम आपके नेता इस ढंग का आह्वान करेंगे जैसा इरफान अंसारी ने किया कि कोई केवल पूछताछ के लिए आए तो उसको बंधक बना दो? संविधान खतरे में है या नहीं? एक बार पुनः देश को ध्यान आता है कि जहां जहां इंडी गठबंधन के लोग सत्ता में आते हैं, संविधान की भावना दरकिनार कर दी जाती है। किसके लिए? कुछ संदिग्ध स्रोतों से वोट प्राप्त करके सत्ता पर कब्जा करने के लिए।
19 दिन 7 राज्य और 17 BLO की मौत हो चुकी है। आखिर इन मौतों का जिम्मेदार कौन है? SIR जो वोट चोरी के लिए आप करा रहे हैं, उसका प्रेशर डालना बंद करिए, जिससे कि लोगों की जान बचे, लोगों को अपनी जान गंवानी पड़े, ऐसी कोई प्रक्रिया ना कानून सम्मत हो सकती है ना सही हो सकती है।
All the leaders of BJP hooligans, those who have no organization in the West Bengal, they are going to CEO and going to Chief Election Commissioner for committing suicide, for creating pressure. Election Commission and the BJP leaders, mainly Shubhendu Adhikari is responsible for all death. Criminal proceedings should be initiated against them immediately.
इस 16 बीएलओ की मौत हुई है तो कोई ना कोई इशू होगा, कोई षड्यंत्र थोड़ी है उन बीएलओ की हत्या के पीछे, कोई इलेक्शन कमीशन का, कोई पॉलिटिकल पार्टी का कोई षड्यंत्र थोड़ी है। इट इज अ कोइंसिडेंट दैट दे हैव डाइड।
And that brings us to the big questions on which the buck stops here. Is it really work burden or political bullying that's killing BLOs in the voter revision process? Do we need a serious look at the entire exercise given that it is claiming lives? That is something that simply cannot be denied. Joining us today on the debate, we have Shehzad Poonawalla, national spokesperson of the BJP. We have Harshvardhan Tripathi, senior journalist, Dr. Pooja Tripathi, national spokesperson of the Congress, and lawyer and political analyst Tausif Ahmed Khan. But I want to start with you, Shehzad Poonawalla. There have been over a dozen lives lost. Nobody can contradict that. Let me actually play for you a video by the Congress where they are saying that this is being done in such a ham-handed fashion, in such a slipshod fashion, that it is claiming the lives of people. What's the hurry? Why can't this be done in a more graded fashion? Let's play it out. All right, we'll just play that in a second. But the fact that you've got 19 days, 6 states, at least 16 people dying. Why?
First of all, Padmaja, I'm glad I'm doing this debate on your show because you have shown the same figure that Rahul Gandhi and Congress has quoted, which is 16 in 19 days. It's from a Dainik Bhaskar report. By the way, the same Dainik Bhaskar report talks about one of the deaths being as an accident death. But it has been included and it is being paraded as a suicide because of SIR. Mr. Derek O'Brien's Twitter and the TMC says that 31 deaths have taken place only in Bengal. So this is a very important issue. What is the real figure? Is it 31 as TMC claims, or is it 16 or 15 or 17 as Congress is claiming? No answer to that.
Okay, now, Poonawalla, even if one death has taken
making my argument. Let me make.
It's one death.
No, I understand. I understand that. Let me come to the argument. Now, one death too many also I'm coming to. Secondly, Bihar elections just got over. Bihar had lesser time, more population. Not a single case of suicide takes place there. And here where there are almost 45 to 50 days to complete the exercise. 51 crore voters, 5 lakh BLOs. So per BLO, 1,000 votes has to be counted or 1,000 forms has to be counted, which approximates to 20 or 30 forms if you take just a 30-day period. Otherwise, it's even lesser than that. Now suicides are taking place. Let me tell you one by one the cases.
Okay.
Okay. First suicide case that came about was Pradeep Kar. Apparently a suicide note was detected.
Yes.
He had no 4 fingers in his hand with which he was writing.
This one was in Bengal.
So the forensic test is yet to be done whether that suicide notice is, but count kar lo, chalo, no problem. Second case was Kakoli Sarkar. Kakoli Sarkar suicide note says that nobody is responsible for my death, but it is being counted, chalo, count kar lo. Then, you know who is actually threatening? Deepak Mahato, BLO has come out and said, Jamrul Islam Mullah, a TMC leader has threatened me. कोई उस पे जवाब नहीं. चलो चौथे पे आते हैं. You know one death took place in Kerala also, which is being included in this.
Yes.
Anish George. Congress did a press conference with audio tape that left leaders have threatened him and he has committed suicide. चलो उसके भी आगे बढ़ते हैं. आज अभी आपने इरफान अंसारी का बताया कि बंधक बना देना. ये कौन है BLO? झारखंड के, झारखंड सरकार के अधिकारी है ना, कोई बीजेपी की सरकार के है. उसके आगे बढ़ते हैं. कूच बिहार में they have a district chairman, TMC. You know what's his name? Mr. Burman. Publicly he said कि मैं ये BLO को लटका दूंगा. And then the BLOs did a protest against the TMC government.
No, but what is your argument?
My argument
is your argument that these deaths are being misrepresented or that deaths are happening because of bullying by the TMC or the left? What is your allegation?
There are 2 points I'm making. Every death, let it be properly investigated before you blame A or B, because I have shown you 5 deaths or 5 instances where the real case is that the government in power, Jharkhand government, or the Bengal government, they are threatening the BLO and Kerala government. So Congress has made the allegation.
Okay.
So ulta chor Kotwal ko date. And Padmaja ji, because last 10 seconds I will take the sitting minister. You are trying to show the bite also. SIR के लिए कोई अधिकारी आए तो घर में बंद कर दो. ये झारखंड सरकार के अधिकारी है भाई.
Okay, so tell
Who's
me
threatening?
this, Pooja Tripathi, this is something that is being done in a brazen fashion. Irfan Ansari on stage is saying they come for you, you lock them up. Now, this will put the BLO under stress. Let's quickly play out for our viewers what exactly this man, who by the way is the health minister, he's not some Johnny come lately, he's the health minister of Jharkhand and MLA of the Congress. Let's listen in.
आपकी नागरिकता छीन लिया, आपको पहचान छीन लिया, आपको घुसपैठिया बना दिया इन लोगों ने. कोई हक समाज में आपको कोई हक नहीं मिलेगा. और अब बंगाल में SIR लागू कर रहा है और उसके बाद झारखंड में करेगा. मैं आप सबको कहना चाहता हूं, एकदम अगर कोई नाम आपका काटने के लिए आए, अगर कोई आपका नाम अगर पूछने के लिए आए, वैसे पदाधिकारी को एकदम गेट पर बंद कर दिएगा, ताला मार दिएगा, मैं करूंगा.
Why? Why, Pooja Tripathi? Is this intimidation?
You know, Padmaj, I was just listening to Shehzad. I'll come to your question. I'll definitely answer that. I was just listening to Shehzad. How disgraceful is he putting the onus of "Are aapko threaten ki aapne suicide kar liya?" And there has been a BLO who died of brain hemorrhage because of work pressure. Pinky Singh's Noida BLO's Pinky Singh's letter is all over viral over the internet saying कि अब मुझसे ये काम नहीं हो रहा. Arvind Vadar has named the inhuman working conditions from Gujarat. Let me tell you, because you were selectively pointing out the opposition rule states. Bhuvan Singh from MP has written that the working conditions are unbearable, and these are BLOs who have been, they have been not given proper training there. And today, the statistics, I'm sure Shehzad will again put the bonus on the BLOs ki kyun mar rahe hain, because 533 notices have been put out by the Noida administration, with 68 FIR has been registered. 181 people have been thrown out of the job, and 304 people inquiry has been set up for not keeping up with the pace with the SIR exercise. Why is the hurry? Why are you letting people, even if it's one death, forget 16, forget 10, forget 12, beat the numbers, let the numbers, why, even if it's one death, why are people committing suicide? And what is the hurry? Why do you want this to be covered this? And that's what we are asking. Saying कि उसको threaten किया, इसको threaten किया. You just, I've seen Irfan Ansari's statement. I've seen his tweet out explaining that he was saying कि अगर कोई तुम्हारा नाम काटने आ रहा है, अगर तो, I'll take action against him. Please inform me. And that was his.
He doesn't say that. He doesn't say that. Dr. Pooja Tripathi, what he says is, ये लोग तुम्हारा नाम काटने आ रहे हैं, कोई तुम्हारे घर पे आए, उसको तुम बंद कर दो. और मेरे आने तक मत बोलो. Now imagine, this is a minister. If I am a BLO, I am going to be quaking in my boots. And then you're saying, why are BLOs under stress? BLOs under stress because
BLOs are under stress because they have been given an impossible timeline. And that's affecting their health. That's affecting their, their human conditions. They are giving up. They can't do this. And we ask again, why? What is the hurry? Why do you want such a hurried process that people are committing suicide? Second to saying कि
okay, Shehzad Poonawala.
क्या मेरे लिए मरे?
Padmaja,
it's threatening, but you cannot deny that there are unreasonable timelines also imposed.
First of all, Padmaja ji, very calmly, I have shown sympathy towards the BLO, but when this BLO, Mr. Deepak Mahato, is he a fake BLO from Bengal? No. He has said कि भाई I am being threatened by Mullah. Now मुल्ला के खिलाफ ECI ने FIR भी कराई है, तो इस पे चुप है. जिनकी सिंपैथी है BLO के साथ, चलिए ठीक है. दूसरी बात, 16 डेथ्स में एक डेथ अनीस जॉर्ज की है. ओके, इन दैट रिपोर्ट अनीस जॉर्ज पर कांग्रेस का ऑफिशियल स्टैंड क्या है? पद्मजा, प्लीज टेल अस.
That he was threatened by the left.
By the left.
Yeah.
उस पे भी पूजा त्रिपाठी, she can taunt me, but she will not open her mouth. If the left government has threatened, then take the stand against left government. Thirdly, madam, please, I did not interrupt you. FIR होना या किसी एक नॉन वर्किंग या नॉन परफॉर्मिंग अधिकारी पर कानूनी कार्रवाई होना is a big threat for her. I am not in support of that. We will see it, whatever it is. You file a complaint also if you feel it's wrong. But the minister saying कि BLO को लटका देगा, not just him. Ma'am, just one last point. फिराद हकीम हाथ पैर तोड़ देंगे. मिस्टर नीतीश मलिक जला देंगे, दिस इज टीएमसी एमएलए, सिद्दीकुल्ला चौधरी गर्दन कट जाएंगी, पार्था भौमिक बीजेपी के नेताओं को छोड़ेंगे नहीं अगर एसआईआर में नाम कटा तो. दिस ओपन इंटिमिडेशन इज बीइंग डन. दिस इज नॉट इंटिमिडेटिंग फियर फॉर बीएलओज इन बंगाल, बिकॉज बंगाल में दिस इज अ पिछलग्गू पार्टी. दे डोंट नो लेफ्ट के साथ खड़े रहना है या टीएमसी के साथ.
I will get TMC to respond as well, but Pooja Tripathi, if anything, the state government, if you think the BLOs are working on a very tough deadline, that they are under stress already, the last thing that a state government should be doing is threatening them further.
Exactly what I'm saying. When you're
That's
registering
what
an
Irfan
FIR,
Ansari and that Mr. Molla in West Bengal is doing, and he's been
And
arrested,
Kerala.
by the way.
you know, Padmaja, when you opened the show, you showed Irfan's statement, Irfan's explainer. He said, ki, please tell them to ask them to talk to me if somebody comes. But he was talking to his constituencies. And we've seen how massive disfranchisement has happened in Bihar. He was explainer you just showed when you opened the show, what Irfan said.
Explain after
That's what I am
fashion.
saying.
If he is
You are
going to
saying
cover
please-
his tracks as minister, if he's been caught threatening people, then he will want to cover his tracks. But in an open gathering, he is essentially telling people to intimidate BLOs. And that's as far as one minister is concerned. Let me get in Tausif Ahmed Khan
Can
as
you
well.
also ask about the left party intimidation?
Okay, we want to respond to that. Pooja Tripathi.
The left has been responsible for Anish George's death. This Congress's press conference
Who
with
is
audio.
responsible for the rest of the BLOs? Where should we file an FIR to the election commission or to the Bharatiya Janata Party?
Why are you in alliance with the left then? Why are you in alliance when you're taking up issue of BLO? Break the alliance right now. On Padmaja's show. Abhi kar do kaam.
When it comes to Vijay Verma, where should we file an FIR against the district administration,
understanding the
against the
question?
BJP government?
She said, I'm concerned about BLO. She alleged that BLO has been killed by left party. And she is in alliance with left. ये क्या चल रहा है?
Everyone is cherry picking, right?
Cherry picking नहीं,
Everyone
ये
is cherry-
hypocrisy है.
Okay, let me get in Harshvardhan Tripathi. The reason why I say everyone is cherry picking, Pooja Tripathi will not address what is happening in Kerala. But then the BJP also has to answer, Harshvardhan ji, the BJP will also have to answer that Mukesh Jangir has died in Rajasthan. And there the police station in charge has said a suicide note was recovered saying that he was facing extreme work pressure from his supervisor. The note claims he was threatened with suspension. Arvind Kumar Mulji Bhai Vadel in Gujarat, he also has left behind a suicide note citing stress from added duties, which says, for the last several days, I have been exhausted and mentally overburdened. I do not have any other way but to take this last step. कहीं तो प्रॉब्लम होगी ना. हाँ, इरफान अंसारी धमका रहे हैं. हाँ, वहां एक टीएमसी का आदमी धमकी दे रहा है. लेकिन जिसको कहते हैं कि मूल रूप से कुछ तो प्रॉब्लम है ना इस पूरे प्रोसेस में, कि लोग कह रहे हैं कि हम पर प्रेशर है.
अनुजा जी, एक भी व्यक्ति अगर जान गंवाता है किसी भी वजह से तो बहुत चिंता की बात है, बहुत संवेदनशीलता की बात है. लेकिन बिहार का चुनाव जब शुरू हुआ था और उससे पहले एसआईआर हुआ था तो सबने कहा कि टाइम नहीं है, टाइम पीरियड जो है वो बहुत कम है. बिहार का एसआईआर हो गया, वहां से कोई भी ऐसी दुखद घटना सामने नहीं आई, कोई भी ऐसा गड़बड़ नहीं हुआ. अब देश भर में एसआईआर शुरू हुआ, सेकेंड फेज है, 12 राज्य केंद्र शासित प्रदेश. ये सचमुच चिंता की बात है और मुझे लगता है कि इसकी बाकायदा इंक्वायरी होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि ये मुझे बहुत सस्पिशियस लगता है, बहुत संदेहपूर्ण लगता है. आप जरा सोचिए कितना नॉर्मल प्रोसेस है ये ना नाम जोड़ने का है ना नाम काटने का है. अब ज्यादातर लोग मैं देखता हूं टीवी की डिबेट में नाम कट जाएगा. वो इरफान अंसारी तो मंत्री हो रहे हैं, वो अभी भी शायद मंत्री हैं, तो वो भी इस तरह की बात करते हैं. अब जरा जिसमें ना नाम कटना है ना नाम जुड़ना है, नाम सिर्फ वेरीफाई करना है, इसको जरा समझिए. अगर हमको जुड़वाना है तो शायद 9 दिसंबर की तारीख है, उसके बाद करना पड़ेगा. कटवाना भी है तो उसके लिए फॉर्म जमा करके आपको देना पड़ेगा कि ये जिसका नाम है उसके घर फॉर्म जाएगा और वो फॉर्म सबमिट कर देगा. इतना सा काम है. एक बीएलओ, मुझे जहां तक जानकारी है, अगर उसमें कुछ गड़बड़ है तो आप भी करेक्ट कीजिए, नहीं दूसरे पैनलिस्ट भी करेक्ट कर सकते हैं. बीएलओ 1200 से ज्यादा फॉर्म नहीं होते हैं. 1 महीने का पूरा प्रोसेस है और मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि किस बीएलए के ऊपर इतना मेंटल प्रेशर आ गया. हमारे यहाँ हमारी सोसाइटी में जो बीएलओ आया था उससे भी मेरी बात हुई. उसने कहा सर बड़ी मुश्किल हो रही है, घर घर जाके देना पड़ रहा है, एक और असिस्टेंट मिल जाता तो अच्छा होता. उसके बाद हमारे यहाँ आके वो क्लब में बैठता है, प्रतिदिन होता है, फॉर्म देता है, क्लब में बैठता है. अब मुझे समझ में नहीं आता इस प्रोसेस में इतना प्रेशर, इतना टेंशन कहां है. और यही लोग जो बीएलओ हैं वो कोई ऐसा तो है नहीं कि कोई सेंट्रल इलेक्शन कमीशन के वो लोग परमानेंट कोई एम्प्लॉई, वो तो स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के एम्प्लॉई। अचानक इतना प्रेशर कहां से आ गया? और ये जो लोग लगातार कहीं धक्का दे रहे हैं, कहीं आने नहीं दे रहे हैं, कहीं धमकी दे रहे हैं, कहीं कह रहे हैं कुंडी बंद कर दो, चाबी लगा दो, ये क्या करना चाह रहे हैं?
हाँ।
मुझे बहुत स्पष्ट तौर पर लगता है एसआईआर के प्रोसेस को इस तरह से कर देना है कि लोगों को लगे कि बड़ा गड़बड़, बड़ा खतरनाक सा प्रोसेस है और इसके खिलाफ देश भर में एक माहौल बने। ये ठीक वैसा ही है जैसे 750 किसान वो किसान आंदोलन में, तथाकथित किसान आंदोलन में जान गंवा बैठे, एक भी नहीं बता पाए थे। और मैं फिर कह रहा हूं,
ठीक है, अगर आंकड़ों के साथ ऊंच नीच हो सकती है, पर क्या आप सच में कह रहे हैं कि किसी कंस्पिरेसी के तहत गुजरात में या राजस्थान में कोई बीएलओ अपनी जान दे रहा है?
नहीं, मुझे ये नहीं पता है, लेकिन ये बहुत सस्पिशियस आपको पद्मजा नहीं लगता है कि देश में ये प्रोसेस मुझे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि इसमें इतना प्रेशर कहां है? क्योंकि मैंने अपने यहां हमारी सोसाइटी में जो बीएलओ आया उससे बात की, हम ढेर सारे बीएलओ को जानते हैं, उनसे बात कर रहे हैं। ये बिल्कुल कहा जा सकता है कि ठीक है भाई, हमें एक, जैसे उसने मुझसे कहा सर एक असिस्टेंट हम लोग को और मिले तो ठीक रहे, अब आज कल मैंने देखा उसके साथ एक कोई और। सवाल ये है क्या ये प्रोसेस इतना कठिन है, इतना टफ प्रोसेस है कि वो बीएलओ नहीं कर सकता है? दूसरा, जो पॉलिटिकल पार्टीज हैं जिनके वर्कर बीएलए के तौर पर काम करते हैं, क्या वो हेल्प नहीं कर रहे हैं? और इसलिए मैं कह रहा हूं कि ये बहुत सस्पिशियस है और इसकी सचमुच जांच होनी चाहिए।
तौसीफ खान, is an entire atmosphere being created, some unfortunate incidents, and then topped with the likes of Jamirul Islam Maula. The man has literally been arrested because he told a BLO, I am going to slaughter you and I am going to burn your house down.
Well, I'm not surprised, Padmaja, by the pin drop silence you have maintained as a journalist and BJP spokesperson have maintained over the statements and repeated statements of BJP leaders. For example, yesterday again, Subhendu Adhikari reiterated that 1 crore voter name will be deleted, that after the SIR is completed, BJP will come to power. He repeats that Trinamool got 2.75 crore votes and BJP got 2.3 crore votes. There's only a difference of 40 lakhs votes. And he says that after the SIR process is completed, BJP will come to power because the 1 crore voter name will be deleted. Now the question
how is that related to Jamirul Maula saying that I'm going to slaughter a BLO?
No, that is relevant because you are silent on this. Because there is a conspiracy, because there is a collusion between the Election Commission and BJP.
Worker threatening a BLO. Yesterday you were weeping buckets of tears on how BLOs are under stress, and now a member of your party is literally telling a government official, I'm going to come slaughter you, and you are questioning silence on an unrelated issue. I'm simply asking you, why are your party workers threatening a man who's doing a government exercise?
No, there is no threat. That's a lie. And I understand in your wisdom, you think
there is a phone conversation between the two. I'm sorry. How is that a lie?
Collusion between
how is the threat a lie?
Election Commission and BJP. And you please do not interrupt me. Now be respectful. Do not interrupt me. Let me finish what I'm saying. There is a clear.
No, I'm very respectfully asking you a question which you have evaded. How did you call the threat a lie? The threat has been recorded. A man has been arrested. How did you call it a lie?
I am saying there is a collusion between Election Commission and BJP, which is proven by what Subhendu Adhikari is repeatedly saying. 1 crore voter names will be deleted after the SIR process is completed, and BJP will come to power by deleting these votes. Now, please answer whether Election Commission has shared the data with BJP or whether BJP has shared the voter list with Election Commission. Whose name?
So is Zamirul Maula trying to answer this collusion between the BJP and Election Commission? You still haven't answered. Who is Zamirul Maula? Why did he threaten a BLO? And why has he been arrested?
Six BLOs between yesterday and day before have been hospitalized due to the stress. And please allow me to name them.
Well, they will be hospitalized if you are going to call them up and say, I'll slaughter you. They will be stressed.
Habra block. Come on, please be respectful. Habra block BLO Suman Das. Katua block BLO Sukhdev Das. Baraipur Tanushri Haldar Naiya. In Chopra, Uttar Dinajpur BLO Mustafa Kamal. In Jayanagar, South 24 Pargana, BLO Kamalpad Nashkar. 6 BLOs between yesterday and day before have been hospitalized because of the stress. People are coming to their home.
Okay, answer Shehzad Poonawala.
First of all, just as a small little correction, I think Padmaja, you have called my name. May I continue?
Okay.
Thank you.
So I'll
Padmaja.
reframe the question. Perhaps the likes of Mr. Molla are driven to issue these threats because they sense the collusion between your party and the election
I have
commission.
heard Tausif out very patiently without saying one word in the middle. He has a bad habit
Answer.
of interrupting. Before I start answering.
One at a time, please answer.
Answer it.
Padmaja, I heard out Mr. Tausif very patiently, and twice he made the comment that be respectful. I think it is very low of anybody to talk down to a woman journalist, and nobody needs to be a patronizing
Please go
person
on
here
with the point,
on this panel. I think it would be in the fitness of things. We don't tell male anchors talk
who has
respectfully.
said what
You
is
should
the
stop telling
solution?
female
It's
anchors
okay,
stop
it's okay, I can
respectfully.
deal with this. Please make your point.
Now let me please, without interruption, and I would tell you, you person, you should be respectful. Stop interrupting now.
Data.
Now, Padmaja, let me speak. Padmaja, I will not speak if I'm going to be interrupted.
Adhikari, who has said that?
May I speak, Padmaja?
Okay, one at a time. Make your point.
He will keep interrupting and he'll stop the flow and not allow the audience to hear. Now he spoke about Suvendu Adhikari, 1 crore voters being deleted issue, correct? Abhishek Manu Singhvi official press conference, 70 lakh voters should be deleted in Telangana. They officially asked for a deletion. Ma'am, please see. 70 lakh voters should be deleted. This Abhishek Manu Singhvi officially said before the 2023 elections. Then 22 lakh voters got deleted in the Telangana elections, before the Telangana elections, and they won. So is that vote chori? Is that the intimidation? Abhishek Singhvi did that. Every party, in fact in 2005, Mamata Banerjee used to throw kagas and say, vote delete karo, sab fake voters hai. She used to not throw papers at Somnath Chatterjee and UPA government. Now let me come to the next point. They say time is the constraint. You know, Padmaja, in Maharashtra, there's a local poll going on now. This entire Jamaat, including Congress, Samajwadi Party, wanted that before that local poll SIR should be done. How much time was there? Not even 10 days. That time it is not less time. And your 45 days time, it is less time.
How did...
Now let me come to the third
No,
point.
let him respond to that.
No, please now.
Okay,
Let
finish.
me make my full point. Padmaja, third point. It's not just the case of Mr. Mullah. It is also Mr. Burman, who is the TMC district chairman, who has openly given threat that BLOs ke haath pair todenge. Firad Hakim is giving the threat. Other leaders are giving the threat. Anyways, now last point. Now to a more sensitive point, you said that even if one death, I am absolutely with you. But if the death is taking place in Kerala thanks to the left government, which Congress is saying they don't have a stand, when the death is taking place by accident and they are passing it off as suicide, they are not telling us why they are lying. And lastly, now you know, Padmaja, 99% of the forms have come back. Now just do one little point. 30 cases have been cited by them, although there are many discrepancies in those cases. 5 lakh BLOs, I'm saying even one case is wrong, but 30 cases maximum they are citing. That's 0.006%. By 0.006%, if you are going to say the entire exercise is suicide causing, there are more people committing suicide in media. There are more people committing suicide in film world. So then we should say that every industry is causing suicide. Arey bhai, please have little bit of semblance of the truth. And if the officer there, the district chairman or the strong man is going to say, hey BLO, naam kata, tere ko arrest karwa dunga, tere ko bandak bana dunga, then what, isn't he more likely to commit suicide?
And Tausif Ahmed Khan, much as you may say that this is all about collusion between the EC and the BJP, I want to play out for you what Deepak Mehto, who is a government official in the government of West Bengal, which is the reason why he is a BLO today, what he is saying. Even despite the fact that this man has been arrested, that this Molla has been arrested, Deepak Mehto even today fears for his life. Tomorrow if something was to happen to him, who would be responsible? Listen to him.
আমি ফর্ম জমা নিতে গিয়ে দেখি এক জায়গায় একটু ভুল আছে, সেই ভুলটা সংশোধন করে আনতে বলেছিলাম, কিন্তু সেইভাবেই উনি নিয়ে এসেছেন। তাতে দেখে আমার মনে হলো এটা ঠিক হয়নি, তাই আমি ওনাদেরকে এইটা বললাম। বলার পরে ফর্মটা ফিল আপ ভুল হওয়াতে আমি আবার বিডিও অফিস থেকে ফর্ম নিয়ে এসে আমি তাদেরকে দিয়ে এসেছি বাড়িতে, তাদের বাড়িতে পৌঁছে দিয়ে এসেছি। তারা আবার বলেছি ফিল আপ করে রাখবেন, আমি এসে নিয়ে যাব। নামটা আমি ঠিক সঠিক জানি না, এই হিসাবে আমাকে খুব হুমকি দিয়েছে।
হুমকি দেওয়ার পর আপনি কি করেছেন?
সেটা আমি আমার বিডিও সাহেবদের সঙ্গে আমি এটা জানিয়েছি। আমি অনেকটাই আতঙ্কিত।
Tausif Ahmed Khan, I'm living in fear. ये क्या ही SIR करेगा? The man has to live in Bengal. The man has to work in Bengal. He literally works for the government of West Bengal. After a TMC man has threatened him, what kind of work do you think this man will be able to do?
Now, this case, he's perhaps a misfit. You see, this case concerns three people, Salahuddin Ghazi, Mucha Ghazi, and Ishaq Ghazi. You see, as a part of the SIR process, they have to fill the enumeration form where they have to connect their name with the relatives who were there in 2002 voter list. Therefore, Mr. Mahato claims that there was some correction required, and he is now afraid, and he has lodged a complaint. Police is taking action on that. The person who is involved in threatening Mr. Mahato is already arrested. So police is acting on it. Now,
Which party this Mullah belongs to?
Is
Mullah belongs to which party? Tell the name of the party.
Maybe to Trinamool party, but Subhendu Adhikari belongs to BJP.
Trinamool ka neta is threatening the BLO and you are lecturing us.
Collusion.
Left people have caused suicide and they are lecturing us.
He says 40 lakhs votes. He says 40 lakhs votes is only required, and therefore he will remove
But
one crore
Mr.
voter.
Ahmed, you have got one Jamirul Maula. Mr. Mehto got lucky that he recorded the conversation. There could be hundreds and thousands of Jamirul Maulas who are calling up BLOs and saying, Ki if you carry out this process, we will enter your house and we'll slaughter you. My point is, how can you find this tangential to this entire thing that is going on?
You have no ground reports available with you. BLOs are holding protest every day before the election commission, saying that there's a work pressure on them, there's an inhuman target given to them, and that they cannot complete the work.
You're absolutely right. And I want you to listen
to
that.
They are asking for more time. It is the BLOs who are protesting.
It's for a fact.
BLOs themselves are protesting against
Yes, so you've got BLOs from both sides.
Yes.
Actually, today there was an organization, and I want to play out some of those reactions. I want to play out some of those reactions of BLOs who took out a protest today. There was an umbrella organization, and they said, this is a very tight deadline. We cannot adhere to it. Let's listen to them.
बहुत समस्या है, मतलब जो हमारा तो दिन रात का काम हो गया है, फॉर्म बिली करने होता है, कलेक्शन कर रहे हैं, अपलोड में बहुत प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है, सर्वर पूरा ही डाउन है, लेकिन हमको कोई मतलब हमारा बात वो नहीं सुन रहा है। 1 घंटे के अंदर अंदर वो अपलोड देने के लिए, अपडेट देने के लिए हमको बोल रहा है, लेकिन घंटे में 1 और 2 अपलोड हो रहा है, ऐसा सर्वर डाउन है। हमारा भी कभी कभी मेंटल में हो रहा है, हम भी सुसाइड कर दे, इतना प्रेशर हम नहीं ले सकते हैं, बहुत प्रेशर आ रहा है।
हम एक गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय हैं और बीएलओ के ऊपर में जिस तरीके से अत्याचार किया जा रहा है, हम बीएलओ के सपोर्ट में हैं और तमाम गवर्नमेंट के लोग, तमाम गवर्नमेंट कर्मचारी बीएलओ के समर्थक में आज रास्ता पे उतरे हैं। एक बीएलओ, एक गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉय, वो भी एक टीचर है जो लोगों का भविष्य बनाते हैं, आज उनके भविष्य को खराब करने की कोशिश की जा रही है। बार बार उनको धमकी दी जा रही है कि तुमको नौकरी से सस्पेंड करा देंगे।
এখানে কাজ করতে গিয়ে বহু মানুষ এমন কাগজ নিয়ে আসছে, সব কাগজ তার নথিবদ্ধ করা যাচ্ছে না যে নিয়ম করেছে, এবং তারাও অসন্তুষ্ট হচ্ছে। আমি নাজেহাল হয়ে পড়ছি। আর তারপরে স্কুল আমার দূরে, হাওড়ায়, শালকিয়ায়, সেখানেও আমি যেতে পারছি না, ঠিক মতো কোনো কাজই ভালোভাবে করতে পারছি না, একদম মাথা খারাপ করা অবস্থা হচ্ছে, দিন রাত সব সময়।
Answer this.
I want to definitely answer this question, and just give me 20 seconds. Padmaja, these are BLOs in every state are state government employees. Election Commission doesn't have its own cadre, right? So Election Commission can only have an influence up to the point of the elections. After the elections, they kind of no influence. Only the state government can take a call कि इसके साथ क्या करना है, correct? So the real intimidation or pressure will be that if the state government is going to act against me and take away my state government job. Now please tell me very categorically, in Jharkhand, who is the person who can actually destroy the career of the BLO? The Jharkhand minister. In Kerala, the Kerala minister. In UP, you'll say the UP government. In Bengal, it is the Bengal government. Let's assume, after seeing the video of this Mr. Mahato which you showed, which BLO out there is going to have a courage to take the panga when the spokesperson, despite having Mahato's video, is saying कि कुछ नहीं हुआ उसके साथ. You think these BLOs are going to come out?
This is also the responsibility of
I am
Tausif
saying that this entire protest you're showing to me is actually living proof of TMC's intimidation. They are saying, Bhai Sahab, please save us.
Tausif Ahmed.
No. Perhaps Shehzad was not paying attention. The protesters are protesting about the deadline given to them by the election.
Sir, what else are they going to say? What else will they say? वो जब बोल रहे कि मुझे मुल्ला ने threat किया, तो आप तो आके मुल्ला के बचाव में हैं. You're in favor of मुल्ला.
You will turn deaf to them. You're not hearing what.
Sir, you heard the protest of Mahato. You heard Mahato's mind.
Mahato is a one-off case. A complaint was lodged. A complaint was lodged and
Anish
action
George.
was taken.
Anish
Here
George.
you have hundreds of BLOs on the street protesting.
Anish George.
The timeline given.
So Mahato is not important.
Inhuman target.
So Mahato is not
How will
important.
they achieve that target? They have to.
So Mahato is not
conduct
important.
Their classes. They have to perform their duty.
Mahato is not important because he's been threatened by Mullah.
Do that.
ये ठीक है. चलो ठीक है.
Which is the difficulty with them. They need.
Tausif
timeline to be
Khan
extended.
does not want
You
to
are
take a
turning
stand
deaf
on
to them.
Mullah who has
Just
threatened
because
Mahato. I
Subhendu
understand.
Adhikari has given you a hope. Subhendu
understand,
Adhikari
Mr.
has
Khan.
given a hope to the central BJP that they can win the election.
Mr. Khan, it is evident what you're doing. You want to save Mullah. Mahato की वैल्यू नहीं है. Mahato समाज देख रहा है Mahato समाज.
Bengal, mind you.
Mahato समाज is watching.
BJP is least bothered about forming a state government in Bengal. It is only Subhendu Adhikari who is giving these hopes to central BJP, and they know it very well.
You know, I also want to play out, by the way, because remember, this is a nationwide exercise. It is happening across 12 different states and UTs. So yes, there are people who are on the streets against it. But I also want to point out to you hard data that you've got over 99% of the electors who have got the enumeration forms. And you also have 24 crore forms which have already been digitized, which means 47%, which means there are BLOs also who are doing their jobs. And I want to play out one such reaction from a man in Rajasthan, in Chittorgarh, which was put out by the EC. EC is also speaking to their BLOs and saying, look, there are also those people who have already completed their work. They have got 100% efficiency and their work is happening smoothly. Listen.
सर, मैंने SIR में सबसे पहले ऑनलाइन मैपिंग का काम शुरू किया था. इसमें 115 बहुओं की मैपिंग मैंने वहाँ के पीयर के डाटा मंगवाकर मैपिंग ऑनलाइन करवाई. मेरे पोलिंग पर 97% मैपिंग ऑनलाइन हो चुकी. उसके बाद गणना प्रपत्र वितरण किए, फिर साथ के साथ उनको फोटो कलेक्ट करके डाटा भरते हुए सबमिट करते हैं. धीरे धीरे इस तरह पूरा डाटा सबमिट कर दिया गया.
It's also a fact that almost 50% of these forms have been digitized, Dr. Pooja Tripathi. So this process is taking place, and unfortunate as every single death is, are stray incidents being picked up, are being magnified in order to create an atmosphere against the exercise itself.
I want to ask a simple direct question. Are we sensitive enough? A panelist is saying कि इसमें इनको कोई conspiracy लिखती है. Farmers protest में जाके तो किसी ने गिना नहीं, 750 मिल गए. शहजाद पूनावाला से इसकी इसमें जरूर TMC गवर्नमेंट ने इनसे बुलाया होगा. These are people in flesh and blood who have died citing unbearable working conditions. You've just showed the protest, and I'm sure
Let's keep everyone on
not
air.
let that. And when it comes to digitization, 76%, we are just 10 days away from the deadline. And that's what we are saying. Can't we be sensitive enough? And these are the government service. And these are services for somewhere teachers, Anganwadi workers have been thrown out of job, earning some 10,000 rupees salary. They don't have any pension, no social security. And now we are saying
Shehzad Poonawala is questioning you on the CPM bullying being behind the suicide.
No, I'll tell you, Padmaja, just 20 seconds if Pooja will indulge me. See, my sympathies and my... One second, ma'am, she has called my name. It is only courteous that I speak. I am very...
You're insensitive to the people who have committed suicide.
Okay, insensitivity.
No. Sensitivity नाम की चिड़िया ऐसी है कि it goes, Bengal it goes, Bihar it goes, and then Kerala it stops and comes back. Because even there, after Congress has done peace... नहीं बोलना है, ma'am, I have not interrupted. I never interrupt you, ma'am. This is not right.
But it's a debate, Shehzad.
I understand, but let me at least make my point. Then she'll counter. What is she countering? Like Rahul Gandhi, counter in the air. Counter in the air. Whatever I say, counter is there. No, let me complete, Pooja. Let me complete.
Okay, 10 seconds, complete.
Let me complete in 15 seconds, ma'am. Just 15 seconds. Okay. I am saying, why is Pooja so nirdayi about Anish George, where her own party has taken a stand? Where you are showing the bite of a minister abusing the BLOs of Jharkhand. She is not sensitive there, and she is not sensitive to Mahato. Why? Now my question is, take the stand in 3 cases.
That's what I'm saying.
Pooja
you can't sit on a show You can't sit on a show कि ये तो conspiracy होगी. The poor BLOs who earn some yagar salary, वो conspiracy कर रहे हैं to take down.
Madam, have you understood my question? You need to keep your ears open to understand.
Nullified, and that's what I'm saying. Can't we be a little sensitive to the people who have lost their life? Who are the breadwinners for their family?
Okay, Harshvardhan Tripathi.
But repeat my question. It deserves an answer.
Harshvardhan Tripathi, the question is to you कि आप insensitive है कि आप इसके पीछे एक conspiracy देख रहे हैं, and we've got news also coming in right now. The West Bengal Chief Election Officer has reacted to the deaths in the state. He has said, we have asked the DMs to assist the BLOs. And I'm glad that this kind of course correction is happening, because everything cannot be swept aside as a conspiracy. Maybe they need reinforcements. Maybe they need more resources. So the Chief Election Officer for now has said that we have asked the DMs to assist the BLOs. But are you being insensitive, Harshvardhan Tripathi? Pooja Tripathi कह रही हैं कि आपने ऐसे ही dismiss कर दिया कि ये कोई एक माहौल बनाया जा रहा है, conspiracy की जा रही है.
पद्मजा जी, अगर मेरी पूरी बात ध्यान से सुनी होती तो पूजा ऐसा न कहती. सबसे पहले तो ये मैंने कहा कि अगर एक भी व्यक्ति की जान जाए तो वो सेंसिटिविटी होती है, संवेदनशीलता से उसको देखा जाना चाहिए. लेकिन उसके बाद मैंने ये कहा कि जिस तरह की घटनाएं सामने आ रही, जिस तरह से धमकियां दी जा रही, जिस तरह से कुंडी बंद कर देना, ताला चाबी लगा देना, जिस तरह से घर जला देने की धमकियां हो रही हैं, उसके बाद इसको देखना चाहिए. और देश में पूजा त्रिपाठी की पार्टी जिस तरह का एक प्रोपागेंडा कर रही है, बिहार में कुछ नहीं हुआ. बिहार का SIR उसी लिमिटेड टाइम पीरियड में कंप्लीट हो गया. देश भर में ये जिस तरह से हो रहा है, और जैसे हो रही है, राहुल गांधी लगातार, अब राहुल गांधी तो विदेश चले जाते हैं, चीफ जस्टिस के शपथ ग्रहण में भी नहीं होते. सवाल ये है कि मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि हर आत्महत्या की जांच होनी चाहिए. जिसने धमकी दी है उसके खिलाफ कानूनी कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए. और BLO से इन्होंने बात नहीं की. मैं तो BLO से बात, मैं टेलीविजन डिबेट में जब बैठता हूं पद्मजा, तो होमवर्क करके बैठता हूं. मैं तो BLO से बात करके बैठा हूं. और मैंने आपको उदाहरण के साथ बताया, विद एग्जांपल मैंने बताया. मैं हवाई बात करने नहीं आया हूं. और मैं फिर कह रहा हूं, इतना कठिन काम नहीं है. निश्चित तौर पर प्रोसेस है, कोई भी प्रोसेस मुश्किल होता है, चाहे आप जनगणना के लिए कहिए, चाहे आप चुनाव के लिए कहिए, चाहे आप पर्ची, हर वक्त ऐसी ही टेंशन होती. लेकिन ये कहना कि इतना प्रेशर आ गया है कि 12 या उससे ज्यादा लोग हैं, उनको कई गांव दे दिया गया है, कई जगह कई मोहल्ले दे दिए गए, ऐसा है क्या? एक ही बूथ पर एक BLO करेगा ना? ये भी समझना जरूरी है.
Just one line. Because my line was drowned out. Pooja, specifically tell me the threat done by Jharkhand minister, tell me the threat done by left government, and tell me the threat done to Vivek. Again, she's interrupted here.
It's not
no, one second, Padmaja.
Out of time.
Please, these 3 cases, she has not taken a stand. She's not taken a stand.
You cannot say कि इससे ज्यादा सुसाइड तो फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में होते हैं, तो क्या हम फिल्म इंडस्ट्री को बंद कर दें? You cannot say every death that's happening because of an unbearable working condition.
Have you even heard what I asked you?
Death in Gujarat, a death in MP,
Okay,
and death
you know, you're absolutely right. Every single death is terrible. It's a blot on the entire exercise. But the fact is, if you choose to only cherry pick things that suit your narrative, if you're not willing to talk about your leaders who can be seen threatening and intimidating the BLOs, then you are not really sincere to the cause. Then you're only using it for your politics. That being said, if anyone is feeling under pressure, maybe there needs to be closer scrutiny, and maybe there needs to be course correction, because these government officials cannot simply be cannon fodder in any exercise. All gentlemen, Pooja Tripathi, thanks very much for joining me.